Hi guys, welcome back. I'm excited to come back your way. If you're new, hi, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you the simplest homemade recipe. Join our family by hitting the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever we post new videos. On today's episode, we are making a simple mango strawberry smoothie. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. As usual, this is a very simple recipe. We'll be needing some honey, Greek yogurt, milk, mango, and then strawberry. As always, all ingredients used and the right measurements will be linked in the description box below, so do check it out. This is a less than 5 minutes recipe. You can make this for your breakfast, on the go. You can have this as a snack or lunch, whatever you want. All you have to do is to throw your milk, your Greek yogurt, your strawberry, mango, and honey into the blender. You blend it for about a minute till everything is combined and smooth, and then voila, you are ready to serve. See all this yummy goodness, so refreshing, so healthy, so filling. Yummy, yummy, yummy-licious. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please, subscription is free. It's free. Hit that red button and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever we post new videos. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I'll be giving out notification shout outs to anybody who leaves a comment, so leave a comment down below. And till I come your way next time, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you soon in our next video. Bye.